To work out your shoulders and upper arms with a military press, start by selecting a barbell that you can comfortably lift to shoulder height. Between 30 to 50 pounds, 14 to 23 kilograms is a good starting weight for many people. Set the barbell in a rack at shoulder height, then stand in front of it with your knees slightly bent and your feet shoulder-width apart. Grab the barbell with your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, and keep your palms facing forward and up. Exhale while pushing the barbell straight up over your head with both arms. Engage your glutes and core muscles at the same time. Hold the bar up for about half a second, then inhale as you lower it back down to collarbone height. Keep your back straight and finish the move with your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Exhale and push the bar back up above your head to complete 1 rep. Rest for 1 to 2 seconds between each rep. When you're starting out, aim to do 1 set of 8 to 10 reps. As you build strength, you should be able to gradually increase the number of reps and sets you can do comfortably, as well as the amount of weight you can press.